Welcome back to Explore Thailand 4K. But today, we're stepping beyond Thailand's borders to discover one of Southeast Asia's most iconic landmarks, the Petronas Twin Towers, right here in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Woo! This walking tour will take you through the vibrant city streets, past luxury malls, lively sidewalks, and finally to the majestic towers that define the skyline of Malaysia. Whether you're planning your visit or just exploring from home, this 4K walk brings the energy and elegance of Kuala Lumpur directly to you. So get ready, because we're about to walk through one of the most breathtaking places in Malaysia and see why the Petronas Twin Towers are truly a must-visit. At 452 meters tall, these towers held the title of the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004, and they're still the tallest twin towers on the planet today. They rise 88 stories high, made of steel and glass, reflecting the sky during the day and glowing like a beacon at night. We're now at KLCC, Kuala Lumpur City Centre, the heart of Malaysia's capital. Surrounding the towers is a beautifully landscaped park, luxury malls, fountains, and some of the best photo spots in the city. And just beneath the towers, you'll find Suria KLCC, a high-end shopping mall with everything from designer brands to gourmet food. The design of the towers is deeply symbolic. It blends Islamic geometric patterns with cutting-edge modern architecture. The Sky Bridge, connecting both towers on the 41st and 42nd floors, is not just for looks. It serves as an emergency escape route and adds structural support. Whether you're a tourist, a photographer, or someone who simply appreciates world-class architecture, this is a place that leaves a lasting impression. The energy here is vibrant. Locals, travelers, families, and business people all come together in this iconic space. Take a moment to absorb the atmosphere, the scale, the sound of the fountains, and the way the towers reach straight into the clouds. It's one of those places where you feel small, but also incredibly inspired.
All right, let's head inside and explore what's beneath these legendary towers. This is where visitors can purchase tickets to go all the way up to the 86th floor of the towers. The first stop is the Sky Bridge, located between the 41st and 42nd floors. It's actually the highest two-story bridge in the world, suspended between two skyscrapers. How cool is that? Then you head even higher to the observation deck for a 360-degree panoramic view of Kuala Lumpur. It's a bucket list experience, especially around sunset or at night when the city lights up. Pro tip: tickets are limited daily and tend to sell out quickly, so it's a good idea to book online in advance or come early in the morning. All right, now that we've seen the ticket area, let's head inside Suria KLCC and explore the luxurious side of this landmark. Welcome to Suria KLCC, one of the most luxurious and iconic shopping malls in Malaysia. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with polished marble floors, tall ceilings, and a stunning open atrium filled with natural light. The mall spans 6 levels, offering everything from high-end fashion brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci to local designer boutiques and global favorites like Zara and Uniqlo. Suria KLCC is a whole experience. You've got fine dining restaurants, cozy cafes, and even a concert hall and art gallery nearby for culture lovers. There's a massive food court offering local Malaysian flavors, Asian fusion, and international cuisine. So whether you're here for luxury shopping or just grabbing a quick bite, there's something for every taste and budget. And if you're planning to visit the Petronas Sky Bridge or observation deck, the ticket counter is also inside this mall. Super convenient. Suria KLCC is more than just a mall, it's a lifestyle hub right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, blending elegance, comfort, and world-class amenities in one breathtaking space. And right here, inside the stunning Suria KLCC Mall, we've arrived at one of the most eye-catching coffee boutiques you'll ever see. Baka Coffee, 1910 Marrakesh. This isn't just a cafe, it's an experience. The design immediately stands out with its luxurious gold accents and classic Moroccan detailing. It feels like stepping into a royal tea salon, blending North African elegance with modern sophistication. The brand's story is fascinating. Baka Coffee was originally founded in 1910 in Marrakesh, Morocco, inside the historic Dar el Bacha Palace, which was once a meeting place for artists, royals, and political figures from around the world. The cafe has kept that legacy alive by serving 100% Arabica coffees sourced from more than 35 countries. Their collection is massive. Over 200 single-origin fine-blended flavored and decaffeinated coffees. Each one is presented in beautifully packaged tins, making it just as much a luxury gift destination as it is a place to enjoy a cup of coffee. What makes Baka unique is their attention to detail. From the elegant glassware to their signature croissant with coffee-infused fillings, and even the aroma inside the shop is curated to reflect their heritage. If you're exploring Suria KLCC and looking for a luxurious break, this spot offers more than just coffee. It offers a journey into a century-old story of style, flavor, and global sophistication. And if you're still soaking in the aroma of freshly brewed Arabica, there's more just around the corner. After this elegant coffee stop, it's time to step back outside and enjoy some fresh air. Let's discover the beautiful garden right behind the Petronas Towers, KLCC Park. A peaceful escape right in the heart of the city. Welcome to KLCC Park, the green heart of Kuala Lumpur. Right behind the iconic Petronas Twin Towers lies this beautiful oasis, spanning 50 acres, designed to offer a balance between urban life and natural serenity. This park was masterfully created by the Brazilian landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx, who envisioned a space that connects people with nature, even in the middle of a bustling city. As you walk through, you'll notice the man-made lake, called Lake Symphony, which features 2 beautiful fountains. These aren't just for looks. Every evening, they light up for a choreographed water show, dancing in rhythm with music and lights. It's one of the best free shows in KL. But even during the day, this view is breathtaking. You can catch reflections of the Twin Towers in the still water, with the skyline towering all around you. It's a photographer's dream. What makes KLCC Park so special is the diversity of plant life. The landscape includes 1,900 native trees and 66 species of palms, many of them planted to attract local birds and butterflies. You'll often spot hornbills, mynas, and even colorful butterflies fluttering between the trees. There's also a 1.3-kilometer long rubberized jogging track here, perfect for morning or evening joggers. You might even catch locals getting their steps in before heading to work or after shopping at Suria KLCC. And if you're visiting with family, this park is also home to a children's playground, one of the largest free public playgrounds in the city. It's bright, colorful, and filled with activities for kids to burn off energy. KLCC Park isn't just for fitness, it's also a spot for rest. There are plenty of shaded benches, quiet spots under trees, and open lawns for picnics. You'll see locals and tourists alike just sitting, reading, or even meditating. And right here is one of the best photo spots in the entire city, a clear view of the Petronas Towers from the garden. It's especially magical around sunset or blue hour when the lights start glowing. This garden is more than just a park. It's a reminder that even in a city of steel and skyscrapers, nature has its place. It's where you can pause, breathe, and enjoy a moment of calm. If you're visiting Kuala Lumpur, KLCC Park is an absolute must. Whether you want to walk, relax, take stunning photos, or enjoy the fountain show at night, this garden has it all. And that brings us to the end of our walk through KLCC Park, the peaceful garden just behind the iconic Petronas Towers. We explored tranquil walking paths, Lush greenery, the Lake Symphony with its magical fountains, and one of the best skyline views in the city. This space is not just a park, it's a perfect escape from the busy city, right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. Whether you're here to relax, jog, take photos, or just enjoy the fresh air, KLCC Park is a must-visit spot for every traveler. Thanks for joining me on this walk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. And now, let's go discover what's behind the garden, because the adventure in Kuala Lumpur never ends. This is Explore Thailand 4K, and I'll see you in the next journey. Terima kasih and goodbye from Kuala Lumpur.